ball.
Hello, my name is Zaire O'Neal. I am a forward and a freshman at Georgia Tech.
All right, so can you tell us about your first couple weeks here on campus at Georgia Tech?
I mean, the first couple of weeks have been long. They've been progressive, though. We're trying to learn the campus, so we're doing a lot of walking just to find our classes, find different buildings. We've been trying to meet other athletes and other non-athletes from Georgia Tech, and it's been really cool.
And how is the move down here from New Jersey?
I mean, we drove because my mom moved down here too, so it was a 14-hour drive, and it was just a lot of sightseeing stuff, and it was just a way to bond with my family before I leave for college.
And have you had much interaction with any of the upperclassmen so far, and how they helped you, find your classes and help you out with everything here?
Yeah, I mean, the first couple of days they drove us around, showed us where our classes were, showed us where important buildings were that we needed, and they've been doing little things we've watched the NBA draft at their room, the awards and different stuff, just interacting with them, and we worked camp with them, and it's just been a really cool experience having them kind of guide us into the Georgia Tech steps.
All right, and what is your favorite thing about Georgia Tech so far?
My favorite thing about Georgia Tech is that you can see the rec car anytime. I mean, I was walking to get something to eat one night and just see him walking, you just see him driving past. It was really cool to see that the mascots are involved outside of sports and they just drive around campus and walk around campus. That was really cool.
All right, now for some fun summertime questions. What's your favorite picnic food?
My favorite picnic food would be potato salad.
And your favorite summertime activity?
Going to the beach. I enjoy the beaches. Where I'm from, it's a beach maybe every 30 minutes away. It's a lot of them. So I go out with my friends to the beach on different holidays and stuff.
Favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate.
All right, and that's it. Thank you very much.